Yeah, but that's because I'm going first. No, you're not. Yes, I am. We'll see. We'll see. Now, yeah, we will see. We'll see your proving your sense. Why don't I write down a number and we can see who gets closest to it? Okay, your number is between 1 and infinity. I win. That's it. I'm going first. We'll see. Guys, there's no see. You all can do the numbers. I'm going first. No, I told you I'm going first. That's fine. We'll see. This is what happens when we close. This is what happens with the buffets. Unless you can give me a pencil. Hey, you can throw numbers after I go to the bathroom. I'm going first. I've already been over this with you. Bullshit. I'm going to show the camera my number. Bullshit, you. I'm going first. I pick the right number and then you guys have to clean up. Stop. No. I'm going to show the camera my number. And we're going to get some first. Don't worry. The number is 0 and Alright, I show the camera my number. It's going to be between 0 and 50. Okay, the number is between 0 and 50. I win. What's your number? 25. 0 and 50. I win. What's your number? I just told you. Alright, you're not bad. I'm asking someone between 0 and 50. So I win. I ain't doing their numbers because I'm first. Alright, be shut. No, be first. Be shut up. Be shut up. Be pick the one and be pick 49. I pick 0. No, wait. I am first. Well, you gotta pick your own number. I did. Pick a number. Shut up. No, you gotta pick a number. I'm not picking no numbers because I'm first. Show the camera a number. Now, William picked 20. I'm going to have to declare William the winner if you don't pick a number. I already picked my number. I'm between 0 and 50. William picks 25. If you guys don't pick numbers, I'll have to assume that he wins. Pick a number. Pick a number. I did. No, you need to pick one number. Between 0 and 50, I win. Number. Pick one number. 0 and 50. Pick one number. No, I'm going first. Yeah, we'll see. Pick one number. I told you, man, the potatoes give me diarrhea. We'll see. Pick one number. Are you crazy? Jerks. Oh my gosh. Alright, here, hurry up. You're the one who's going to try to get some numbers. I'll give you that. I'm getting in there. Hurry. No. Give me the keys. He locked us out. Give me the keys. Hurry up. Give me the keys. I gotta get in there. Open the door. He's coming out the door. So I don't want everybody. Let's go outside. Okay, that's the wrong lock. He only locked the bottom lock on the lid. Let me do it. You're panicking. I thought you said it was unlocked, jerk. You called me a jerk, you jerk. I'm tired of you crapping on me. Get out of there, jerk. You can't take it away from me. I need that, bro. Let me finish up the office. Shut up, guys. What you think you're doing? He's got to come out of here. William, come on. Guys, sit down and wait your turn. Stop. Alright, watch out. Alright, sit down now. I'm not sitting down. Sit down and wait your turn. Hurry up. I gotta go. Stay out. Here we go. Andy, come here. Sit down. Wait a minute. Sit down. What's going on? Sit down. Why? Because I can't. What did you do?